Hello everyone, and welcome to AMP TV with our first ever pilot episode. I'm your host Kyle Martin. I'm the operations manager here at AmericanMobilePower, and we're going to show you a little bit about what we do and why we do it. AmericanMobilePower was founded around 1992 by a guy named Woody Brandon. Woody was a great salesman with a great vision, and he started this company out of a garage. A couple years later, he bought a building about 15,000 square feet, added on again in 1998, added on again in 04 and 05 to become what we are today, around 50,000 square feet under roof and about 85 employees. To date, AmericanMobilePower ships around 36,000 hydraulic tanks a year, surpassing 700,000 in the company history. AmericanMobilePower makes tanks for all sectors of the hydraulic world. Mobile trucks, snow and ice, industrial, you name it. We also make transfer tanks. We also make reefer fuel tanks. AmericanMobilePower makes tanks in aluminum, mild steel, and stainless steel. So anything you want, we could probably do it. We got our own standard product line with everything from box tanks to saddle tanks to upright tanks behind the cab. And we also manufacture tailored to your needs. So from your first phone call out to the shop floor, all the way till your product is finished, AmericanMobilePower is 100% customer driven, and you are what makes us what we are today. So for your latest and greatest hydraulic needs, check out AmericanMobilePower at AmericanMobilePower.com, and check out our YouTube channel or give us a call at 800-634-8265. Hear from you soon. We invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got a lot of great content coming out, and this right here is just episode 1 of many to come with a lot of knowledgeable information about our product and what we do.